So on, in addition to showing that, I learned about this AM PM formatting, which we do have an old demo of, but I didn't realize it, so I decided, well, I'll show it off again anyway. So you can pipe the time or date time field to show AM PM instead of your military time. So like right now it's 1:05. So this is what it just does, regular piping. And then if you add the AM PM, you get 1:05 PM. Here is another one, but I've added the hide underscore. So it removes the underscore. So you can do them, you can stack these. You can have them both in your field notation for piping, which is kind of really nice. And then it also works on a date time. You see it changes it from 13:06 to 1:06 p.m. So again, this is only in piping. So it's not a field in your database or anything like that. It's just visually showing you the AM PM time instead of military time. But one other thing you can do is you can get the day, the month, or the year out of those dates. So this is the month from here, the day from here, and the year from here. Although you cannot get the date, the hour, or the minute. It doesn't, those features are not built in yet. Whether they're coming or not, I can't say. This is, you can pipe and get the month or day or year from a field on another instrument, and that you use your set value to get that. And here is the graduation date, :month. So that's how I picked up this number 11 here, because I said I was going to graduate in November. This is, these are set values to see whether or not, so if you wanted to have your time field in a report showing as AM PM instead of military, you would have to create an additional hidden field on an instrument that pipes, that does a set value with the original data, and you can get the AM PM. So I'm going to save and stay because set value doesn't fill these fields in until you save and stay. And so now I took the time from up here and I did a set value with the T: AM PM, and now I have the time. So now when you save this record, you actually have that field and you can use it in reports. And the same thing with date time fields, although it always comes in as year, month, day. I did not find any way to format it in a different format. It kept telling me it was an error in formatting. So these two values here are piped, and here they are down here. Any questions about either of those?
So I believe since you can use that grad underscore date : month and those, in the set values, then we should be able to use them in the calc text as well. So you might be able to rebuild the date format in the way you want by taking the individual month, day, year components and creating a calc date or a calc text string.
That may be true. I don't know if it becomes a date. Once you've done that, I think it's still just a text field.
Yeah, that might be the downside, is that it would, if you set it in a format that the REDCap doesn't like, you may see it as a date, but REDCap won't treat it like a date like that there. So if you sort, it's not going to sort properly. Like if you have month, day, year.
Right. So here is the are the fields that I created on those records. This is record 9, the one we just did. And here's that field that is the AM PM with the date. And I do believe it is considered a date time type field. It's just formatted like this.
And do you have the field validation set up in the date for that date DT field?
I believe I do not, and I tried it with it. Actually, let me see. We'll go look. No. Oh, no field validation. If you put the field validation on it, that's where it
That's
gives
where you
it.
get the error.
Yes.
Gotcha. That makes sense. Cool. Yeah, I like that you can chain the different components together.
Yes, this is very
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
And this is the actual format for the field itself.
Mhm.
D:/, AMPM: height underscore, and they can be either direction. Either, it doesn't matter which order you put them in. It works either way.